for the company profile. Sime Darby was incorporated in 1910 in a small British company managing 500 acres of rubber estate in Malacca. Today, Sime Darby is a key player in the Malaysian economy as well as a diversified multinational involved in key growth sector. For the past 100 years, its business division seeks to create positive benefits in the economy, environment, and society. Sime Darby is a Malaysian conglomerate with business in plantation, industrial equipment, automotive, property, and energy. As a diversified multinational company with a staff of more than 100,000, operating in 23 countries, Sime Darby plays a key role in the Malaysian economy. Its plantation division is the world's largest producer of palm oil, accounting for about 2.47 million tons or 5% of global crude palm oil annually. The group has dealership to distribute heavy industry equipment and luxury marques such as BMW, Rolls-Royce, and Porsche in the Asia-Pacific region. In property development, Sime Darby builds townships in Malaysia and abroad. Muhammad Bakir Saleh has been the president of the company since 2010. He formerly worked with a state fund Permodalan Malaysia, Sime Darby, major shareholder. Next is the nature of the business. Sime Darby Berhad is an investment holding company. For the company structure, Sime Darby did not post it anywhere. I've searched it on the website and everything. They only have the top management people, which consists of chairman, CEO, CFO, and director. That's all from me. I'll pass to the next person. Thank you.
Thank you, NURHANNA. Hi, my name is ATHIRA, and as for the Sime Darby current strategy, is the first one, get started on the digital transformation. Future-proof of the Sime Darby company model against global disruptive trends by exploring new ventures and strategic relationship with existing technology business, fostering innovation-centric attitude, increasing customer experience, and automating internal procedures. They also want to increase emphasis on the digital marketing and internet effort to engage customer in the new normal. The second one is establish new growth area. So Sime Darby continue to diversify into complementary new business categories, especially industrial and logistical developments, as well as specialty and affordable multi-generational products in order to establish complete and interconnected ecosystem for the communities. And the third one is meeting the changing needs of the clients. Increase the product ratio of the commodity to differentiate products such as premium frying oil and differentiate bakery and confectionery items. They also wish to place a larger emphasis on customers' changing food product needs and trend in terms of health, food safety, and also sustainability.
So for the Sime Darby achievement, there is actually a lot of achievement that Sime Darby has been accomplished since the establishment of the company. But here, we only are going to highlight the latest 3 of 2021 achievement of them. First, Sime Darby has achieved Putra Brand Awards for Platinum in Property Development category. Next, Sime Darby also has achieved awards from HPOP Malaysia in HPOP Malaysia's Responsible Developer Building Sustainable Development Award, HPOP ILAM Malaysia's Sustainable Landscape Awards, Landscape Planning category, and Editor's Choice Awards, Malaysia's Exemplary Sustainable Community Park. Lastly, Sime Darby also received BCI Asia Top 10 Awards in BCI Asia Top 10 Developers.
This is the internal factor evaluation matrix for Sime Darby Berhad. As you can see, the sum weighted scores is 3.78 and it is shown that the internal factor of this company is strong. Next is the external factor evaluation of Sime Darby Berhad. The sum of weighted score for this evaluation is 2.53, which means the external factor of this company is in the midpoint and it can still improve to do well. Now is about competitive profile matrix of Sime Darby Berhad. There are 3 main competitors of Sime Darby Berhad, which are IOI Group, Sunway Group and EcoWorld. From this CPM evaluation, it is shown that Sunway Group is the strongest competitor since the weighted score is 3.5 and EcoWorld is the weakest competitor as the weighted score shown is 1.95. Okay, now let's take a look at SWOT metrics. The first one is internal factor, which consists of strength and weakness. So the strength for Sime Darby Berhad is it has a strong presence in over 20 countries, especially in Asia Pacific, employing over 100,000 people. Second, diversified product portfolio resulting in decreased risk of operation. Third is strong financial performance. Fourth is balanced revenue stream. And the last one is uniform growth rate from across all the geographical locations. Sime Darby weaknesses are tax structure. Second is fluctuating non-operating revenue due to irregular investment and disinvestment operations, effectively affecting bottom line. Third is weak financial performance could impact the shareholders' value. Fourth is diversified product portfolio and balanced revenue stream enables to tap opportunities in various markets. And lastly is robust market position strengthens investor confidence. Strong orientation towards research and development creates a competitive edge. Just now, I explained about the internal factor of Sime Darby Berhad. Now let's focus on the external factor, which consists of opportunity and threat. For opportunity, Sime Darby has strong outlook for the global oil crops consumption. Second, it can attract more customers and investors in order to expand their business in a new sector. Third is robust outlook for the Chinese. Fourth, switching to renewable energy, and lastly is the increasing demand of the crude palm oil increases the opportunities for the growth of Sime Darby plantation. Sime Darby's threats are competitor aggressiveness and intense competition. Second, international currency fluctuations is a risk. Third is land ownership issues. Fourth is technological problems, and lastly is strong competitors in the related sectors and market.
Next, we move to QSPM or Quantitative Strategic Planning Matrix. It's shown how the key factor is related to strategic alternative. For strategic alternative, first plan is establish new growth area. Second plan is to renovate and upgrade previous area. And third is plan to join a venture with other company. After the calculations of attractive score and the total every point, we can agree the strategic alternative will be established, which is a new growth area, because the company has decided that the plan 1 is more attractive.
Thank you, Farid. Last but not least, the recommendation strategies for the Sime Darby that they can implement in order to become competitive advantage is the first one, renovate and upgrade the previous area, which is Sime Darby must improve the region in which they work to ensure the continuance of the output. As a result, the product or service that they provide will be always in a good shape and the client is delightedly with their output. And the second one, joint ventures with the others company. Sime Darby also can potentially broaden their market by forming a joint venture with another companies that have the same industry. This will enhance Sime Darby's market position even further as it is connected with the numerous enterprise. I think that's all from us. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.